Nighttime in a city that never sleeps. What's that? Across the sky, the math signals. It can only mean one thing. Someone's calling the mighty math number heroes. You're the guest star here, so tell us who you are. Look, up in the sky, it's Fraction Man! Fabrific Fractions! I've got just the thing for the city fireworks show. Use the control pad to turn fractions into fireworks. We can launch 4 different kinds of fireworks. Click here to select which one. Click here to change the fraction, and click here or here to color your fraction. Click here to choose the colors of your fireworks. When you're ready, click here to launch your firework. Let's put on a fraction fireworks show. 1/4 or 1/3 make the fraction firework that's greater. Bursting bonanzas! You were right on that time! 1/4 or 1/8 make the fraction firework that's greater. Don't launch that one. Try again. Zooey! You are really good at this. 1/3 or 1/8 make the fraction firework that's less. Yowza! I couldn't have done it better myself! 1/8 or 1/2 make the fraction firework that's greater. Not quite right. Here's... Zooey! You are really good at this! Let's compare 1/6 and 1/3. Launch the fraction firework that's greater. Reach for the stars with Quizzo!
Hey folks, welcome to Quizzo, the game show where brain power is the greatest superpower of all. I'm your host, Star Brilliant. Player at home, choose your opponent. Click play when you're ready. Today we have Professor Led, champion of standardized tests, competing against Player 1 in our home audience. The rules are simple. Click on a screen under the category you want. The higher the points, the harder the problem. You earn the most points when you get it right on the first try. Click me, and I'll remind you how to play. Player 1, you go first this game. It's time to add. Drag the numbers from above onto the question marks to solve the math puzzle. Click Check It when you're done. Do you agree with that answer, Player 2? Excellent! You're both really good at this. Now you, Player 2. It's time to add. For a few extra points, Player 1, do you agree with that answer? Excellent! You're both really good at this. You're up, Player 1. It's time to add. For a few extra points, Player 2, do you agree with that answer? Good job! Everybody won points that time. Your turn, Player 2. The category is numbers. For a few extra points, Player 1, do you agree with that answer? Good job! Everybody won points that time. Your turn, Player 1. The category... Select the number or numbers that fit, then click Check It. For a few extra points, Player 2, do you agree with that answer? Player 2, Player 1 was right. Your turn, Player 2. It's time to subtract. Okay, player one. For a few extra points, do you agree with that answer? No points this time. Try again, please. Player two was right, player one. The points go to player two. Now you, player one. The category is numbers. Okay, player two, for a few extra points, do you agree with that answer? No points this time. Try again, please. One of the answers isn't correct. Please try again. Do you agree with that answer, player two? No points this time. Try again, please. There are... Do you... You both won points. All right. You're up, player two. The category is patterns. For a few extra points, player one, do you agree with that answer? Nobody gets points. Keep trying. This answer isn't correct. Here's another clue. You both won points. All right. Now you, player one. It's time to subtract. Drag the numbers from above onto the question marks to solve the math puzzle. Click Check It when you're done. Here's your chance for a few extra points, player two. Do you agree with that answer? Player one was right, player two. The points go to player one. Your turn, player two. The category is patterns. Here's your chance for a few extra points, player one. Do you agree with that answer? Nobody gets points. Keep trying. This answer... Here's another clue. Excellent! You're both really good at this! It's your turn, Player One! It's time to subtract! Do you agree with that answer, Player Two? Player Two, Player One, what? Your turn, Player Two. The category is patterns. Okay, Player One, for a few extra points, do you agree with that answer? Excellent! You're both really good at this! Professor Lead is the winner! Better luck next time, Player One! How about another round? Player Two! It's time! Okay, Player One, for a few extra points, do you...
Geometry emergency detected! To the geocomputer!
Geocomputer on. I'm receiving a signal from the GeoBot, and I need your help.
Come in, GC! I've just found an intriguing geometry problem. Sending it now! Which of these shapes has 4 sides and corners?
All right. Let's send that to the GeoBot.
Here's a real doozy! I'll radio the specifics now! Which of these shapes has 5 sides and corners?
Please use the paint tool to fill in the right. Good job. We make a great team.
The citizens are in desperate need here. I'm sending the problem now. Which of these shapes have 6 sides and corners?
Here comes Handsome Chance!
I'm Handsome Chance. And I'm making action figures of me. Problem is, I have so many outfits, and I look good in them all. We can use my probability machine to pick the outfits. Click this gizmo to set the probability for my outfit colors. Click these arrows to set the number of action figures. Click this dial to set the speed, fast or slow. Click Go to run the machine. Let's see if you can answer this question. Great thinking! You're almost as smart as I am. Tell me if you know the answer to this one. Sorry, that's not it. Here's a tip. That's right! I ought to hire you full-time. Here's one to make you think a little. Not there yet. Here's a tip. Not quite. Good answer. It's like you're reading my thoughts. Remember, you can run experiments on the machine to gather data before you answer. Click Go to run the machine. Ooh, how about this question? Here's a tip. Sorry. Exactly! I'm glad you're working for me. Can you figure this one out? Sorry, that's not... Wow! You really know your probabilities. Here's a challenging question. You're right! I think you deserve a promotion. Here's a question I just thought of. Here's a... Not there yet. Good job! I think you're a natural. Ooh, how about this question? Not quite. Here's a tip. Something is possible if it can. Not quite. Correct. I'm going to give you a raise. Someday. Can you figure this one out?